Hey everyone, I'm Drew from MakerMade, and we are super excited for you to be a part of our community of makers. Whether you're using CNC, 3D printing, or laser cutting, we are here to help. So to help get started, we always recommend checking out our resource pages on MakerMade.com. That's where you can find our most updated user manual, how-to videos with me and some others too, and also how to contact us if you need help. Now, if you want to do something different that's in the user manual or that's not in the user manual, or something that we haven't made a video for yet, we recommend checking out the owners group on Facebook. That's just MakerMade Owners Group on Facebook, and you can find tons of passionate people that are doing everything from making, maybe you want to make a top beam that's 20 feet long, or you want to put it on the side of a semi. There are people on there that are doing some incredible things with these robots. So that's an awesome place to start. And you can also always get in touch with us on Facebook too. Just send us a Facebook message or send us an email at info@makermade.com or support@makermade.com, and we'll get your questions answered right away. So I hope this helped for you to get started. Happy printing and happy cutting, and have fun making. See y'all.